Using Server Manager. In this demo, we're going to add features using the wizard, view events, view the best practice analyzer, list the tools, and look at an alternative way to shut the system down. From Server Manager, select Manage, Add Roles and Features. The wizard pops up. Navigate through the wizard, role-based installation. Select your server, in this case DC1. We're going to install the fax server role, and in so doing, it tells us you also need the print and document services role and the remote server administration tools. We're going to add those. We're going to add the branch cache feature just to demonstrate that capability. An info sheet on the fax server role, an info sheet on the print document services role. And print document services enables you to select some additional role services, which we're not going to do, but it does show you how to do that. We're going to select restart if necessary. And select install. We're going to let this go until the option to close appears. I'm going to close the window before installation is complete to demonstrate how you can access that information from the notification icon and see what's going on from there. And if you were to observe, in our case, installation has succeeded. Now let's go on down to the DNS role window, select events, and just for demo purposes, I'm going to change the time period to 12 hours instead of the default 24. And there's some other options you can select there. BPA, or Best Practice Analyzer results, are available for most of your roles. And unless you've run it before, you're not actually going to see anything, which in this case is why we're not seeing anything. And we're changing the scope, changing what we want to see in the BPA. The Tools menu gives you access to many tools that you used to have to access separately before. And now, if you press the Windows logo key, that'll take you to the Start screen, where we're going to sign out. As you can see, we're currently signed in as administrator. We'll log back in as a datum administrator. Now let's select PowerShell, and we're going to look at an alternative mechanism for shutting down. The shutdown command with its various switches /R and /T, let's actually take a look at the help for that. And R is full shutdown and a restart. And the T is your timeout with the timeout period anywhere from 0 to 10 years. So we execute the shutdown command, signs us out, and would go through and do a restart. another successful demo. See you next time.